In this specific video, I'm going to show you how to create search engine friendly categories with Lsi keywords. Now, if you don't know what Lsi keywords are, LSI is just a fancy way of saying keywords that relate to each other. And when Google comes to your site, and let's say, for example, that the keyword was dog training, Google is going to look for keywords that are related to dog training, like puppies, grooming, training 101, stuff that relates to like grooming and things like that. And I'll show you in just a minute what I mean. Now, a lot of people use LSI in relation to creating good keyword related content. But you can use this strategy as well all over your site, and especially the categories, because when Google comes to your site, they'll look for content, but they'll also look at how your categories, your other pieces of your site content relate to one another. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, before I log into my WordPress dashboard, if you go to google.com, as you can see here, do a search for lsikeywords.com. And it's latent semantic indexing. It's a fancy term for related keywords. Now, I love to use this tool simply because you can type a keyword here, let's say dog training, and click submit. Now what Lsi Keywords is going to do is it's going to do some research. And this tool is free, so you don't have to pay any money. So you're going to see some keywords on the left side, the middle, and the right side. These are single related keywords, 2-word phrases, and 3-word phrases. Now think about it. If Google comes to your site and your site is about dog training, they're going to look for keywords like dog obedience, puppy training, training videos, techniques dog, dog housebreaking. What I primarily look at is the top 3 to 5 on each level. And this gives us an idea of possible categories that we can use. For example, dog training tips. I'm going to open up WordPad here so I can keep a record of the category keywords. So we've got dog training tips, dog obedience training, and move over here to look at the 2-word phrases. We've got dog training, obedience training, let's see, techniques, training videos. Let's see, training techniques. And as you copy down this, you want to have an idea, okay, what kind of content do I have right now? Or if I don't have the content now, how can I create the content quickly and easy? And another thing I want to mention is when you create your content, use the same method. Use the same method all throughout your site, because when Google comes to your site, they're going to look at the content, they're going to look at your tags, your keywords, your category keywords, and your title and everything. If everything surrounds this LSI system, you're going to get better rankings on Google. Okay, so we got house training, got puppy training, got potty training. Let's see, you've got dog videos, tips, obedience, similar. Okay, so this can be good to go. Once you're done with this and you have a certain amount of categories, we can move back to the WordPress dashboard here and create our categories. Now, to create the categories, you'll have to go under Posts and click on Categories. Here, you can simply enter the Add New Category area, So for example, we're going to type in dog training tips. I'm going to copy this over. The slug is basically a search engine or URL friendly. So what you can do is just put hyphens between the spaces. So dog training tips, put hyphens in here. Now, if your category has, let's say, a parent category, you can actually do this. So dog training tips might be a general parent category to, let's say, for example, training videos. So if I create this category, click on add new category, and I create a category called training videos. Actually, this doesn't have that. The slug has the hyphen between it, training videos. I can choose the parent category to be dog training tips. Click on add new category. And as you can see, this is the actual subcategory of the parent category here. And we can go through here, training techniques, puppy training, house training, and so forth. So dog training tips, I could say puppy training, and I'm going to put that under this category. Because when Google comes to your site, they're going to look at, okay, dog training tips. And then they're going to see a subcategory, oh, puppy training, training videos. You could even do puppy training videos and put the slug here and put that under puppy training. And as you can see, you got a category, subcategory, and subcategory of the subcategory. And that's it. So that's how to create LSI, search engine friendly keywords related categories. And whenever you put your content underneath, if it's puppy training videos, you can do the same thing. So if you're going to put content under here, simply highlight the category, go back to lsikeywords.com, get a list of keywords, and if you write your content around that LSI keywords, you can get really, really good, rankings, because Google will see your site as a very closely related site. And that's it.